Have a good day to everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the characteristics and selection of pumps. So, this is a continuation of classification of pumps. So, this is a part 2 of the series. So, those who have not seen that video, you can go to that video and see that thing. So, we are going to skip that the types of pumps. Again, it is being explained here, but we are going to skip it that part. Okay. So majorly this part is going to be majorly concentrated on characteristics and selection of pumps. So what is a pump? We just needed to go through only once. So pump is a mechanical device that converts electrical energy into a mechanical energy. So that mechanical energy helps to transfer the fluid from one place to another. Okay. So here the fluid not only meant for liquid, it is also a gas. So fluid is nothing but a liquid and gas. It is transferred from one place to another with the help of a pump. Okay, so pump is a mechanical device that converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. So this is what it is, a pump. So the classification of pump is a two thing. One is a displacement pump, another one is a dynamic pumps. So in the displacement pump itself, there are three subcategories. One is a reciprocating, rotary type, and a pneumatic pumps. Okay, in the reciprocating itself, again it is classified into two types: piston plunger or diaphragm. Rotary, there is a single rotor, multiple rotor, and pneumatic is only ejector. And the dynamic pumps. So in the dynamic pumps, there are two subcategories. One is a centrifugal one, another one is a vertical pump. Okay. So in the centrifugal pumps, it is classified into three types based upon the direction of flow, based upon the suction type, based upon the mechanical constructions. So these are all the major types. And vertical pumps, the line shaft and submersible pumps has been there. So these are the two basic subcategories. The one is a displacement, another one is a dynamic. So this is the main thing that actually why this video is being presented. So characteristics of pumps. So when you are going to select the pump, and before selecting the pump itself, what are the characteristics that should be checked for manufacturing the pump? So the flow rate. So the flow rate should be constant throughout the process. That is the major criteria. So for how much unit of time, how much unit of liquids have fluids have been passed out. It is also being can should be calculated easily. So it should not vary based upon the time. So another one is head pressure. So how much height the pump can be push the liquid to the push the liquid to from one place to another. How much height? It is also been important one, and from how much bottom it can take is also an important thing. So head pressure is an important part, and power consumption. So how much power it is being taken. So this we needed to know if the power consumption is very much less, everything it will be using. But the amount of energy should not be more than the economical one. So efficiency of the pump and net positive suction head, that is what already we have seen the head pressure, material compatibility. So the corrosion, abrasion, chemical compatibility, the fluid being pumped, that is the fluid that is being used in the motor or a pump, it should not affect the efficiency or the mechanical properties of water. So that is the material compatibility. And the pump type, what on the pump type that we can use based upon our requirements. So there are different types of pump type. That is what we have seen in earlier slides. Okay. So the pump type also we needed to know. So how the selection criteria works, that is what we are going to see. So application requirements. So in which application we are going to apply? If it requires a constant flow rate or high head we require, high head pressure is being required. So those are some of the few application requirements. Another one is a fluid properties. So what kind of a fluid that we are going to use? So if it is high viscosity or low viscosity, high temperature liquids or low temperature liquids, or a presence of solids. If it is going to be a muddy area, some solids will be also be there. So it is based upon that we needed to provide. And system characteristics, that is length and diameter of the pump, pipes, everything in the mechanical system. And the energy efficiency, where we are going to use the energy efficiency plays the role. Space and the mounting, how much space is available for to place the pump in that. So cost and maintenance, the amount should not be high. So that is what it is being mentioned. So pump selection criteria. So these are all the some of the pump selection criteria that we have gone through. So hope the process have been people can understand what are the characteristics, what are the selection criteria for the pump. So if you have any doubts over these things, you can just ping me on comment box. I will try to reach out to you as early as possible. If you still have some comments over to it, you can put it on the comment box itself. So thank you for listening to the end. Thank you.